It used to seem impossible, but things are getting better. When the price of XRP Ripple coins dropped, whales bought tens of millions of them. Experts have written down this bullish hint, even though they thought we wouldn't notice. There are different opinions on how much XRP Ripple could go up. Some say it could hit $250, while others think it will go up to $1,000. Everything is possible in this crazy world of ours. That video is the most important one for all holders. Let's get to the point. Note that XRP Ripple has been making moves in the cryptocurrency market, especially because of the big investments made by people called whales. The trades of these whales are named because they have so much money, could change the market. Whale Alert, a service that tracks cryptocurrency transactions, recently pointed out a number of important XRP transactions that put light on how the market works. In one very interesting move, more than 26 million XRP were sent, which were worth about $13 million at the time. A small transaction fee of less than a cent was charged for this move from a Binance wallet to an unknown wallet. When large amounts of money are moved from platforms to private wallets, this is known as an exchange outflow. When investors withdraw money in this way, it usually means they plan to hold on to their assets instead of selling them right away, which could be seen as a sign that XRP is going up. In a different big deal, over 30 million XRP, worth about $15 million, was also taken out of Binance. There were also moves the other way, like a 30 million XRP transfer to the Bitstamp exchange. People usually think of exchange inflows as bearish because they can mean that someone wants to trade or sell an object. But in the last 24 hours, there have been more outflows than inflows in terms of net change, indicating that people are mostly good about XRP. The price of XRP has gone down a little over 4% in the past week, but it has now stabilized at about 50 cents. This sideways movement comes after the recent drop and shows that the market is now consolidating. Whales taking out large amounts of XRP from exchanges could be a sign of a possible bullish trend. This shows that big holders are sure of XRP's long-term value. For example, they can fake price changes by buying a lot of a coin and then selling it all at once. When prices are pushed up, this is called pumping. When prices are pushed down, this is called pumping. This kind of manipulation can be seen in the early days of Bitcoin, when coordinated buying caused prices to skyrocket, only for prices to drop when whales sold off all of their stocks. When whales take out a lot of XRP from platforms, it's usually seen as a sign that prices will go up. First, it lowers the amount of XRP that is on the market, which could cause the price to go up because there is less of it. Second, it shows that these big buyers are sure of XRP's future value, which means they see long-term opportunities rather than short-term gains. Whales might be especially interested in XRP because it can help with quick and cheap trades across borders. XRP is one of a kind in the cryptocurrency world because it aims to work with regular banks. This usefulness and practical use can build a strong base for long-term value, which will attract big investors. Simply put, the recent whale behavior with XRP, which includes large outflows of exchange funds, may be a sign of a bullish trend, showing that major holders are confident. Even though some entries show that people are trying to sell, the net movement is still positive and things are only getting more interesting. Crypto experts and analysts have noticed that whale behavior has made people feel optimistic. They think that after the recent drop in price, the XRP Ripple token is going to reach new heights. You won't believe how well things are going for each prize winner. What's coming next is very important, and you don't want to miss it. The benefits could be astonishing. A few days ago, Chad Stingray said on social media that XRP could reach an unbelievable $250 price by 2025. He links this peak to Bitcoin and Ethereum's goals of $250,000 and $25,000 respectively, which means these will be their highest points in the current bull market. Stingray has always given information about why he thinks XRP will go up in value. One important factor he found is the possible launch of an XRP exchange traded fund, which he thinks would greatly increase the market demand for the token. This is a type of investment fund called an exchange-traded fund ETF. It is traded on stock markets just like stocks. The prices of ETFs change all day because they hold different types of assets like stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. If there were an XRP ETF, institutional investors could trade in XRP without having to buy the cryptocurrency itself. This would change the game. This would cause a lot of money to be put into XRP, which would raise its demand and possibly cause a supply shock that would drive up its price. Another important part of Stingray's prediction is the current lawsuit between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission. He says that the legal battle has stopped XRP's price from rising because it has stopped new money from joining its ecosystem. He is still hopeful that a settlement to the SEC's case will lead to a lot of new investments, taking XRP to new heights. Other well-known experts agree with this point of view. Jack the Ripper has also said that XRP could go up above $100 after the case is over, and even more optimistic predictions say it could go up to $10,000. In the same way, Crypto Bull has predicted a huge rise of between 28% and 900%, which would put XRP at an amazing $154. Additionally, the future of XRP has been talked about in the cryptocurrency world. Analyst Robert Doyle, also known as Crypto Sensei, has given a positive view, saying that the price will rise to $10,000 because the BRICS countries might start using it. South Africa, Russia, India, China, and Brazil, also known as BRICS, want to stop using the dollar as their main currency. This is a chance for XRP, which is meant to be a reserve currency or digital currency used by central banks. This makes it a great choice for our growing banking system. The XRP ledger, which is Ripple's main technology, solves problems that come up with sending money across borders by cutting out middlemen and simplifying processes, which lowers costs in the end. The usual way of sending money between countries is slow and expensive with lots of middlemen and fees. This can be done faster and for less money with the XRP ledger. Settlement of transactions happens very quickly and there aren't many fees. This efficiency could make foreign trade within the BRICS bloc a lot better, which would help the economy grow and bring people together. Besides the acceptance of BRICS, the growing market for tokens is another thing that could push XRP to Crypto Sensei's $10,000 goal. Chief Technology Officer at Ripple, David Schwartz, has been at the center of tokenization discussions. He believes that the XRP ledger is the best platform for tokenization. He says that the XRP ledger is good because it has low transaction fees and works with decentralized platforms. Schwartz thinks that by 2025, the XRP record will be a well-known place where real-world assets can be turned into tokens. People are more optimistic about XRP's future as a digital asset-based financial system because it works with banks and other financial companies. Even though Crypto Sensei's $10,000 price target is a big one, the global economic reasons that are pushing it make it seem more and more likely to come true. But hold on, that's not the end of the fun. It may not be a surprise that BRIC is being used, but what is really interesting is the slow rise of XRP Ripple in Asia. Behind the scenes, XRP from Ripple has been steadily rising in value in Asia. You will not want to miss this game changer. It's yet another sign that the market is going up, indicating that big growth is coming. So the XRP Ledger Japan and Korea Fund is meant to help these fast-paced markets grow. It's a big step towards encouraging the use and growth of the XRP Ledger in the area. Emi Yoshikawa, Vice President of Strategic Initiatives at Ripple, says that the launch of this fund shows how much the company believes that Japan and Korea could become important centers for blockchain innovation in the area. It also shows how dedicated we are to encouraging new ideas in the local XRP ledger groups. We're also excited to see how this fund changes things in these thriving areas. The XRP System Japan and Korea Fund will help a number of projects that will bring new ideas to the XRP system. Some of these are forming corporate partnerships to bring the XRP ledger into different fields, giving grants to developers to help with potential projects, investing in new businesses that use the XRP ledger, and encouraging community growth through programs and events that teach. Ripple has promised to give 1 billion XRP to help developers build on the XRP system. This project is part of that plan. It is important to note that a big chunk of this commitment, tens of millions of dollars over time, will be used to pursue chances in Japan and Korea. Japan and Korea have active XRP ledger communities that are growing quickly. These communities are backed by strong institutional partnerships and forward-thinking regulatory frameworks. The partnerships that Ripple has in these areas have been very important in getting people to use Ripple payment solutions. For example, in 2016, Ripple teamed up with SBI Holdings to create SBI Ripple Asia.